How to add contacts in Pipedrive 2024. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Pipedrive and how you're going to be able to add contacts in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you're here in your main dashboard section. Now, over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see the Context tab over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Contacts. And once you click on Contacts, what you're going to do over here is you're going to click on person, okay? And simply you're going to add their details. So I'm going to add their name. Then you're going to go ahead and add their organization. From here, what you're going to do is you can also add their phone number if you want to. That totally depends on you. Once you do that, go ahead and add in their email, whatever their email is. And after all of that is done, simply give them any labels. So are they a customer, hot lead, warm lead, cold lead, or you can even add a label. So I'm going to go with hot lead. And once this is done, simply click on save. And once you do that, you're going to be seeing that the contact that I added is now in my contacts list. So that is how you're going to add contacts in Pipedrive 2024. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. Make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.